How are you doing today? Hear the thunder? You know, I don't like working out in the rain. And I've got some stuff to do here at work that's going to require me to go in and out and in and out and in and out of the building. I'm not looking forward to that. But if I was off, if this was my day off, and I had no complications, let's just say. There have been times in my life where I just absolutely loved going for a walk in the rain. Now this rain's a little bit chilly for that. You dress for it. But there can be something so relaxing, refreshing, and invigorating about just going for a stroll in a warm summer rain. I remember as a kid, I used to hike all over southern Osage County growing up. I had an old pullover Navy surplus jersey, waterproof deck jersey that my dad had from World War II. And I'd roll that up and put that in my knapsack along with my canteens of water and my lunch, and I'd hike. Yeah, put on my surplus combat boots and just go. And if it rained, well, I put on my pullover. If it got warm, I might take off my shirt. But I didn't have a care, and I just wanted to see what nature had to offer. And I hopped fences, and I went down trails and through the woods. I saw deer. I saw all kinds of animals. I tracked and was tracked by a cougar. I saw his paw prints on top of my footprints. He was curious about me. I know he wasn't going to hurt me. I caught snakes. Yes, I took a snake to school once and turned it loose. Explored everywhere I could. And it's a shame, a real shame, that more kids today will never know what that's like. That autonomy, that freedom, the ability to commune with nature, to be away from your electronics and away from the noise and away from connectivity. We didn't have connectivity in those days, of course, but the idea is the same. To disconnect from the world around you of hectic noise and pressure and immerse yourself in nature. Now, there are some places you can still do that, and to some degree, and one of them is the Oxley Nature Center here in Tulsa. Go do it, please. Find time, make time. Go out to the Oxley Nature Center and go for a hike. Wear good boots and be prepared. They have a wonderful visitor center. They'll give you maps of the trails. They'll coach you, give you advice. You can even check out a walking stick if you don't have one. And go walk and be one with nature. It's beautiful out there. You'll see all kinds of wildlife, and you'll have a chance to actually see what nature is like. Well, it sounds like I might actually have some hail going on, it seems. I hear some dinging. Y'all be safe now. I'm going to go in and check the weather reports. Love you.